Can we see what friends liked on Instagram? Hello everybody, if you are wondering, today in this video we are going to find out. So the only way you can see if someone has liked someone's liked post, reels, etc. The only way is locating the similar reel, the same reel or the post that your friends may have liked. So go ahead to the reel section. Usually when we head over the reel section like this, you will be finding the reel along with the person that may have liked the reel, who may be your friend. When we head over the reel or post, there, if your friend or mutual have liked the post or reel, you'll be finding this one pop up with the heart. So all you gotta do is locate up this and you should be finding that your friend has liked this reel. Same with the post as well. For example, my friend has liked this post. So when you head over to the post like this by outside, you'll be finding liked by your friend, the one you're looking for, and others. So this is only the method you can use up if you want to know what your friends may have liked on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.